Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to group elements together in Canva. So here I have created a new project. So the first thing that you have to do is to just simply press and hold an element that you want to group. I'll be going for this one. So just click on it until it flashes, and after that click on select multiple, and after that select all the other elements that you want to group. This one, this thing, this one, this shape as well. After you selected all your elements, if you swipe right here, you would see group option right here. So just click on it and all of this would be grouped together. And now you can just simply move them around as a group or do stuff to them. So that is how you can group elements together in Canva.
Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to group elements together in Canva. So here I am in Canva right here. Now let's say I want to group together this text, this text, this text and this text right here. Now for that purpose, just simply select a text first or select an element. And after that click on shift, select the other element, select the other element, and after that select the other element. And after you've selected all the other elements, just simply let go of the shift button and this pop-up will show up. Now here it says group. Just click on it and all of this would be created as a group. So you can move it together and edit it together as well. Now if you want to ungroup it, it also has this ungroup feature right here. Just click on it and all of this would be ungrouped. So that is how you can ungroup your elements in Canva.